Hey guys, I'm Erin Francois et moi, and today I'm going to be making origami paper stars. What I love about this project is the only material you actually need to make that star is paper. So I bought this as 12 by 12 pieces of paper. Obviously there's an art to origami, but once you get the steps down, it's not hard. So let's walk through making one. If you're making an 8-pointed star, you need 8 sheets of square paper. This is 12 by 12 black cardstock that I bought in a pack of 25 at Michael's. And then the technique basically is that you're folding each point of the star and then you're tucking them together to get it to stay together. It'll make sense as we get into this here. So the first thing you need to do is take one of your sheets of paper, fold your paper in half so that it looks like a triangle. You'll take one side of the triangle and fold it in so that it meets the inside crease of the paper. And then I use my fingernail to kind of make a clean crease. And then you'll do the same on the other side. So you'll fold the other side in to meet that crease. So you have what kind of looks like a kite. Then on the opposite end, on these shorter edges, you're gonna fold those in so that they meet the center crease. And same on the other side. So now you have a diamond. Then you're gonna take the long edges of the diamond, fold the diamond over to one side so that that long side is parallel with this crease in here. And then you're gonna unfold and do the exact same on the other side. The idea here is to kind of create an X across. Okay, so what you're gonna do is fold the end of the diamond without the X creases in towards itself. And then you're gonna pull the opposite end so that it folds the other direction. So what I did was fold these together and then I pulled this end back. So what you end up with is a 2-pointed triangle. And that's 1 point of the star. So basically you just do this 8 different times to make 8 points, and then I'll show you how to put them together. Okay, so we've got our 8 star points folded. And now we just need to fold them into one another to create a star. So you don't use any glue or staples or anything like that. It's purely origami. To start, you want to take 2 of your star points. As you can see, they have one large triangle and one smaller triangle. And what you're going to do is insert the smaller triangle into the larger triangle of the next star point. And to do this, you'll take your smaller star point, kind of let it loosen up a little bit, and insert it into the large star point. And fold them together so that they stick together. And then you'll do the same with the next one. Oops, I did this one wrong. Yeah, if you don't see a pocket on the inside of your large star point, you've just folded it inside out. So just invert it and then you'll have the pocket. Okay, so let's insert the small into the large. So as you can see, it's starting to look like a star or the Statue of Liberty. Again, we're just going to do the same thing. We'll insert the small star point into the large pocket of the last point. Then we will insert the small point into the original star point, if that makes any sense. So here we go. And this last star point, in order to get it into the original larger star point, you'll need to bend it a little bit, but that's fine because you won't see it once it's within the star point. So as you can see, I'm inserting it into the original star point. It just takes a little like wrestling, but you'll get it. So then we just need to slide the star points together to get them to be tight, just like this one was. So slide them in, slide the small points into the large one more time, just getting it to be a little bit more tight, and you'll really start to see your star coming together. As I look at my star here, it's coming together, but you can see there are some points that are larger than others, which means I need to slide those in. And since with origami, all the star points kind of rely on each other, you just kind of need to work your way around the star points, sliding them into one another. All right, well that's looking pretty darn good. I could probably make it a little bit tighter, but here we go, that's our star. So, and then I just like to lean them up against a picture on a buffet or attach string and have them kind of hang. Anyways, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please give it a share if you like it, and also follow along my channel as well.